suggestions on my hair regimen, what products do I use, and just my day-to-day styling stuff. So today I'm gonna let you in on one of my new favorite products. It is seriously a game changer for us curly girls. We get to eliminate several steps with this product, and I am just in love. So you see this, it is wash day, obviously, a hot mess, right? So let me just show you what we're working with. Okay, this is my before. Can we all get a look at the before? All right, so the product, HAU, H-A-U, it's HAU. It is your go-to hair mask. Basically what it is, it's a hair cap, just the same as what we use on our faces when we give each other our facials. It's a sheet mask, but this one is for your hair, and it is already loaded with the oils that you need, and your scalp is gonna absorb all of it. So I'm going to go wash this hair. I'm not gonna condition it because no, you don't need any conditioner with this. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need any conditioner with this product. So I'm going to be back in a flash after I wash this out, and then I'm going to go through all the steps on how to get this great product through your hair. Okay, now that I'm back, I have wet hair, pretty much soaking wet. I didn't really towel dry it or anything like that because I want the water to work with the essential oils. So I have my serum. I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections and comb it through thoroughly before I put the cap on, because as you know, as curly girls, we need a little bit more. So this is your game changer as well. Here I go. And you know we can't ever really just use like a dime-sized amount because I need this to go through and through, right? So I'm using pretty healthy size. And I'm like working it from root to tip so I can get it all through my hair before I put the cap on. And the cap actually has even more serum, so my scalp is really going to be absorbing all of this. And what I like to do is take my denim brush, you know this one, ladies, and work it all the way through my ends. And you should definitely do this on already detangled hair. It's already feeling so good and smooth, and it smells good too. So as you see, I pretty much have the product everywhere because it's even like still on my scalp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it up. Use my little hair clips for the time being. If my slippery fingers won't let me get it. You'll get the hang of it, right? Still through, but look, it's already like super shiny. You see? Once I open up my cap, which is easy, it cuts right down the middle. Oh, I dropped it. Bloopers. And then there's more serum throughout. So what I want to do is I just want to like coat my ends a little bit and just put a little bit more. Put it all on my scalp here. Massage it in. And I'm gonna put my hair on top of my head so I can get this cap over, right? just basically fit it to the sides of your head. Seal it. And now I can sit under the steamer. I can go wash this and then come back and check it out. Okay, so I'm back from under my steamer, and I wish you guys could feel my hair. Like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. And like, you can't tell because I haven't rinsed it out yet, but my curls, I like really like laying down and wavy. So I'm gonna rinse this out and then I'm gonna show you the finished product, but the proof is in the feel and and the smell. So I'm all rinsed out, no product on my hair whatsoever. And look at how manageable my curls are. Like, they're so laid down. I haven't combed it after I got out of the shower. I haven't done anything. This is me straight out of the water, and it is so soft. I seriously can just style it and go to sleep. So, HAU product is a game changer. Oh my goodness. You gotta try it. You'll be in love like me. Bye guys. Till next time.